Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how I make my quickest chicken light soup, similar to the Christmas chicken light soup that you usually enjoy. So please come with me, don't go nowhere, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm using fresh chicken right here and I've already baked it just to get all the hair removed so it will look nice and taste really good. Alright, so I'm gonna add here my chicken. I have my pot already on the stove and I'm using a low medium heat just to start. So go ahead and add all your chicken, but if you prefer to use the fresh one, feel free and use it. But as for me, I like to smoke it or grill the chicken a little bit before I use it to prepare my soup. And after you add all your chicken, you can start seasoning your meat. So you can use any preferred seasoning of your choice. I'm using what I have here in my pantry, so please feel free and use whatever you have. So on this seasoning, I have here garlic, ginger, pepper, and onion right here. I just blended that, just to save time. That's what I usually do. I blend them and add it into this jar and then put it in the fridge, so that way it saves time for me. So after you add all your seasoning, make sure that you stir your chicken. Everything looks really good, smelling really nice, and just add about a half cup to your soup and then just cover it and have it steam. And with this water, I'm using hot water as well. Yes, so just let it steam for about 7 minutes, and then after that come back and check again and see how it is doing so far. So as you can tell, it's cooking gradually. It's not done yet. So I'm just gonna add some tomato sauce right here, or if you don't have tomato sauce, you can add tomato paste. Yes, so this way it will give a very nice and beautiful rich color to the chicken, and that's how I like it. This is like similar to the Christmas light chicken soup, how we prepare back home. Yeah, so on this side I have my vegetables already on the stove and it is done boiling. As you can tell, I have listed all the ingredients on the screen for you, so you know what I have here. So it is ready. Go ahead and take it off from the stove and then let it sit and cool. All right, so our soup is doing so nice. It's smelling really good, ankasa. Just say soup no I if you have two to say a fresh chicken ankasa na dey soup no ama I say it too. That is how I like my soup. So next I'm adding here boiled water right here. So I prefer adding hot water than just regular cold water. That way it helps the soup cooks very nice. And after that you add your hot water. You can just go ahead and cover that, okay, and have it boil. Meanwhile, just go and get your blender or your sanka. Go ahead and blend all your vegetables in there. As you can tell, mine is almost done. So I'm going to get a strainer and I'm going to strain my vegetable. That's how I like mine. You can dump it straight, but if you do, your soup will come out very, very thick, and that is not what we want. We are trying to make light chicken soup, okay? It's in between, not too light and not too thick. Okay, so after you strain, don't worry, throw the other parts away because we don't need it. So go ahead and then stir after you add all your vegetables in there, and then cover it halfway and have it boil for about 25 minutes. Alright friends, so on this side I have my garden eggs ready. You can add any vegetables of your preference. I have here eggplant, or Ghana we call it garden eggs, or nyadua. Yeah, and I'm gonna add it into the soup. Unfortunately, I don't have okra. I forgot to get some okra, but that is okay. It's not everybody who likes okra, so we can skip that part. So go ahead and add your garden eggs or your nyadua, and just go ahead and leave this soup to boil for extra 25 minutes. While your soup is on the stove, I'm going to recommend that you get your fufu or whatever you're going to use to enjoy this recipe ready, okay? So as you can tell, the soup has been boiling. It has reduced the amount and it still look light. That is how I want my chicken soup, okay? Not too thick. So my fufu is coming up ready, and I'm so excited right here. So at this point, you know what it is. Just go ahead and dish it out. Nkwan why bibia settle fufu so fresh, I nice. So this is the best time that you can dish your soup out, yeah, and enjoy ankasa. It's say you cannot get this soup or this recipe from any restaurant, but you can only get it right here at OBAAPA'S recipes. Alright friends, so I'm gonna answer some of your questions about where is my husband and why I always enjoy most of my recipes with my father. The reason is that my husband is not around, and whenever he's around or he comes home, he enjoy his as well. So whatever recipe that we make it on this page, yes, he does enjoy all the recipes that we make here. It's just that you don't see him in the video. So thank you so much, friends. I hope I answer all your questions. And as soon as I get mandi rice in Ghana, I will let you guys know. And until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.